How to change your delivery address on Walmart. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Walmart allows you to update your delivery address at any time through your account, so here's how you do it. First of all, open up any web browser of your preference and type in walmart.com in the URL box and search. After you do that, you'll end up in the official website of Walmart. Make sure that you are also logged into your account by entering your credentials. After you're signed in, go ahead and get to the pickup or delivery option at the top left. Click the drop down and you'll be able to add a new address. Click on Add Address, and then if you're looking for a way to add a new address, click on Add New Address from the bottom. Now select your country, your first and last name, enter the street address name, your apartment or suite details, the name of your city, state, zip code, and also write down your phone number at the bottom of the screen after selecting your country code. Right after you do that, if you've got any delivery instructions, you can go ahead and add an access code, adjust your map location and more from this tab over here. Now, if you want to set this info as your preferred address, or if you want to change your delivery address right away with this new info, click on Set as my preferred address and finally click Save. Just make sure you fill in all of the details over here. Finally click Save once you are done and you will be able to change your delivery address on Walmart. So that's it. There you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.